I'm on a 2018 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down. You should see a lever here that will release the hood. If you could hear that pop sound, that was the safety releasing. Behind here, you should see some cables. If that cable's not attached, you might need to address that. I'll go up to the front. You should see that this hood's slightly loose now. But from here, we'll find this lever. So I'm going to push and lift. So push and lift. And let's see, typically there's like a little arm that'll hold this up for you. I don't see it, so it might be missing. But that's what that lever looked like that it was pushing. So double check there's no debris sticking there, nothing bent or broken. If this is really sticking, you might need to spray some WD-40 to loosen it up. But that cable just leads to here. So that's the mechanism that moves around. I'll push this around for you. So that's what it should be doing, just from pushing that. And then up here is where it was connected to. So again, make sure nothing's bent, out of place. Also double check that your hood's in proper alignment. So if this closes crooked, that could cause you issues as well. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.